How to reverse video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Capcut application on your device over here and select a project. As you can see on the screen, I've already selected a project. So if you want to reverse the video, simply tap on the video at the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to see the different options. So let's drag it to the left and see the options for reverse. So as you drag it, we can see these different options over here. So here you can see the option of reverse as well. So tap on reverse, and as you do that, it will start reversing the video. You just have to wait for a few seconds over here until this process is going on. So let's wait for a few seconds and you can just see the video being reversed in Capcut Android. So let's wait over here, and it's about to get finished, and there you go, the video has been reversed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.